Hey, good morning guys. Fish Magnet Man here on such a beautiful day. And I do got Jerry's right behind me right there. If this spot looks familiar to you, some of you, this is where we actually picked up a stolen ATM and a shotgun. Right down here. So we're back here on that shotgun that we picked up. The barrel fell back in, so we're back here to get that barrel. So let's get right down to it.
And then it gets a little deeper.
Right on. What, you got something on there, Jerry?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you got. Hold that sucker up. Hey, Jerry, that's a bolt motor, dude. Look how you caught that sucker on there. You need some help?
Probably.
Well, that's weird. Did you eat your Wheaties today?
Yes, I did.
We got a motor coming up, guys. Look how that sucker's hanging on there, dude. Easy does it, dude. Easy does it. Keep going. Okay. Oh. You got that metal part? We got it.
Okay.
Break time. Jerry caught a fish. It's a
Now it's break time.
It's a motor.
Whoa.
That's awesome.
Almost dropped it back in.
You can set it down if you want to just want to rest. Woo. We came back here to get that shotgun barrel, and here Jerry snags a bolt motor. All right, give me a thumbs up on that, Jerry. That's an awesome catch.
Ta-da!
Yeah. Awesome. Well, guys, we're gonna go look for another spot. We caught a couple little items in there, but I'd say the catch of the morning so far is this bolt motor that Jerry pulled up. I actually pulled it up from the same spot where we picked up that stolen ATM and that shotgun. The shotgun barrel actually fell back down when we were pulling up. We were trying to get the shotgun barrel back. But if you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. It's pretty awesome. We actually have policemen down there with us, magnet fishing, and you can check out that stolen ATM and that shotgun that we pulled up. We'll see you on the next one here soon. Hey guys, we left that area where we actually picked up that stolen ATM and that shotgun. We're at a new area, just a little fishing dock here, right on the Mississippi. There's Jerry. We're gonna hit this and clean this up here as quick as possible, and hopefully we'll find some goodies. So we'll take you with. See ya.
Yeah. Is that chair? Are you ever trying? Frank Carter's fish.
Hey, I caught a bluegill.
Woohoo!
Bluegill.
Thumbs up.
Settle down. Bluegill, and look at this. Look at that. Ta-da. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta.
And you got a fish bait.
That's cool. All right. You just set that on. All right, I'm gonna collect some fishing lures this afternoon. There's one. Jerry caught his fish bait. Okay.
My little red minnow.
Let's keep catching them. You guys, another fish bait. Keep them coming. Jerry, you got something on there? Yeah. Pull it up. What is it? Fish bait. Jerry pulls up a pretty decent lure. Right there, guys. Oh yeah. Come on, pull it up a little bit more. What are you doing here, dude?
This is my shit.
There's a nice looking lure. Oh, what do you got?
What do you got?
Well, you know what that means, don't you?
There's a fishing pole.
There's a fishing pole. Hopefully a fishing rod down there. Right? Awesome. Let's get it. All right, Jerry, you say you got something? What you got on there? Don't look like very much to me. Oh, You got the rod, dude. Oh, that's a different rod, or is that the same one? It might be the same one. Jerry's got a rod. Yes. Get that out of this little lake here.
Even a lure on it.
Might be a good one too. Awesome. Come on, that's gotta be a thumbs up right there on that one. Yes. Good job. Jerry, what the hell is it? Flip flops. That's kind of cool. You see that? Hell yeah. Hey guys, just made a quick stop. We're under the Hastings Bridge. Yeah, it looks pretty soft out there. Just checking around. This stuff here spent years underwater. Woo. Just looking. Piece of rebarb. Yeah, the water's really low. We were on those docks right over there. Eee. Wow, this is pretty cool. Pretty soft. Mississippi. There's Jerry. And there goes Jerry. He's gonna get his magnet wet.
Enough slack.
And here's Frank, treasure hunting. We're just going to follow him.